Alright, welcome to another Star Trek box break. This time we've got a box of the complete Star Trek Next Generation Series 1. There is a Series 2 as well. Each of them covers half of the 7-season series. This one came out, I believe, it's 2011, so it's a little bit old. Not too easy to find these, and of course, this set has a stigma of not being a very good one. There are 4 autographs inside, but unfortunately the checklist is mainly single episode signers and other smaller names. So there's I think 2 or 3 bridge crew maybe in this one. So it's good for building up a collection of autographs from the different episodes, but not a ton of value. I think the highlight is there are something absurd like 25 Gene Roddenberry autographs in the whole release, and as you can see, it was 6,000. Not very likely that you're going to find that. So we are gonna pop this open and see what we get. I actually do have more of these boxes that I'll probably open to build a master set. But we'll start with this one, kind of take our time and show all the cards, and then there should be some more videos later. No Tasha Yar. I guess she doesn't count because she was only there for, what was it, a season and a half. First step, gotta make the box look pretty. It's got these fold outs, you gotta use it. Come on, you can do this. You can do it. Oh, there we go. There we go. Alright, let's get cracking. Don't forget about the points. Alright, so I think, each card is an episode, so you've got the pictures in the front and a synopsis on the back. Is that old? I can't say the doctor's name. I think it is. Pulaski. Diana Moldoir, I think her name is. I can't remember. Alright. That's a pretty cool insert. USS Enterprise, NCC 1701D. Too short a season. I'll try and show the fronts and backs in case anyone's interested. I don't think there's pictures on in-house's website. Oh man, was this the first Moriarty? I don't even know. I'm a big fan of those episodes. I think there's like 4 throughout the season. Each one is incredible. Or not the season, the series. Samaritan Snare. I don't remember that one at all. Oh, kind of. Looks like, so there are parallels, as you can see. So this is a parallel from one of the episodes. There. I think they're one every like 3 packs or something like that. Oh yeah. Oh, I gotta remember that one. Wesley's first kiss. Some people hate Wesley, but I like him. He's a little annoying sometimes, but I enjoyed him in the show. Alright, I should go a little faster. It's gonna take forever. Remember these guys. Don't remember the episode though. The Defector. Yeah, anything with Romulans is going to be good. Or the Borg too, but there's not too many of those. So Christopher Collins. So these are tribute. Oh, okay. Tribute to dead people, I suppose. Remember Me. Which one is this? Oh, yeah, this is one where... Yeah, this is one where the Beverly episode. Yeah, that was a good one. Manhunt. Anything with Private Dixon Hill is going to be good. And that guy is the I think he's a singer from Fleetwood Mac. Brothers. What the hell is the doctor's name? Soon, Dr. Soon. Yeah, that was a great episode. Does it, I guess doesn't tell, they don't tell you what season and episode. I mean, 76, you can, what's that, like, end of season 3, I guess? It would be nice if it said that. Angel 1, yet another episode of Riker with half a shirt on. Price. Oh, that was classic. Oh my god. Locutus of Borg. Great episode. That was the season 4 premiere, was it? No. Season 3 premiere? I don't remember. Sins of the Father. Oh, nice. Yeah, Warf episodes are always good. There's a lot of great episodes in Next Generation. Oh, fucking Q. The galaxy's biggest asshole. Q. Oh, I remember these two. I don't remember the story, but I remember them. Yeah. Tribute. Tin Man. Oh, the living spaceship. Yeah. That was a cool one. We'll always have Paris. I do not remember that one. Maybe I do. Oh. Talking about the holodeck in Paris. Maybe I might be mixing up an Orville episode. Data's Day. Yeah. Good stuff. Oh, the Royale. That was a great one. When they're stuck in the casino. Yeah. That was a lot of fun. I should watch some of these again. It's been a year or two since I've seen a bunch of these episodes. Alright. I don't know if my desk is kind of creaking. I don't know if you can hear it on the thing, but I should try and fix that. Sorry in advance if this video takes a million hours. Oh, Riva. Riva? Yeah, Riva. Yeah. Riva and Vash. Risa. That's it. Oh. R.I.P. Tasha Yar. I should read up on this story. I'm sure there's some like non-story related reason why she left, but that was not good. Here's another parallel. Kind of hard to see with all the foil. Big Goodbye. I would watch a whole show of just Next Generation playing around the holodeck. Oh, there's a whisper. Alright. Packs open really well. The Child. Justice. Another parallel. Shades of Grey. Which one was that? Oh yeah. Nice. Times Squared. Of course, I haven't hit an autograph yet. Hey, Trois. Oh, man. That dude sure loves getting his ears rubbed. Dirty Ferengis. Oh, speak of the devil. Oh, that's Ray Wise? I think that's Ray Wise. Yeah, Ray Wise. As Liko in Who Watches the Watchers. That was a good one. I did not realize that was him. That's actually not one of the worst autographs to get from this set. Final Mission. The Icarus Factor. Oh, yeah, there they are. See, I knew I remembered them. I mean, could maybe use a different image for the cards, but yeah. Go. Legacy. I always thought she looked like Sarah Connor from Terminator. Is that Sarah Connor from Terminator? I don't know. I don't think it is. When the bow breaks, the Wesley will fall. Alright. Sarek. That's Spock's dad, right? Yeah. I don't know why I had to think about that. Pen pals, all Data's little friend. Alright, another autograph. This is Lance the Gault as Katemok in The Emissary. Last Outpost. Oh, this is the one where Riker goes to be a commander on the Klingon ship. I think that was a good one. Yeah, that was great. I like that episode. I seem to remember the episodes, but not necessarily the single episode characters, though. But I guess that's normal. Reunion. Oh yeah, Orphan is his son Alexander. Another parallel. Home Soil. And here's the first part of one of the best two-parters. The best of both worlds. That's one of the best things about watching Star Trek now after it's aired so long, as you can watch the two-parters all at once. You don't have to wait 6 months or a year, whatever it was. Oh yeah, that dude. That was cool. Right, 1 second. Another checklist. Coming of age, Wesley Crusher. You've come so far. Who Watches the Watchers. That was our Ray Wise episode. Look, there he is again with a bow and arrow. But Ray Wise has never used a bow and arrow in his life. Wounded. Oh, there you go. First episode. No. Wait, that's not the first. Is it? I feel so stupid. Wait. One second. Yeah, that was the first one. What am I doing? And I just wanted to see the yeah, so the Ray Wise is a limited autograph. There's I think six very limiteds, 2 of which are Bridge Crew, I think. Alright. Back to regularly scheduled programming. Tasha, yeah, the Yesterday's Enterprise. I like that one. Yeah. I mean, come on, we've already seen that, but that's a great one. Another autograph. Judson Scott as Sobe in Symbiosis. Kind of looks like a cross between, I can't remember the guy's name. What am I even saying? Okay. The Dolphin. Yeah, we saw that already. We saw that too. Alright. There's definitely new ones out there. Yeah, so that, yeah. Here's another foil. Reunion, which we already saw. How's it going, Locutus? Looking good. A little pale though. Should probably go see a doctor. Get out in the sun. Have some vitamin C. That's a cool insert. What is this insert set called? I guess just the different types of TNG aliens. Okay. Oh, I love her. She's the best. I think Brenna, was that her name? I don't remember. The strong-willed Irish woman. And put all the livestock in the cargo base. Oh, another good one. Yeah, a holodeck girl. It looks like Kate Mulgrew. I don't think it is though. All right. Naked Now. Schizoid Man. Another foil. Oh, this one. Riker is such a man slush. If you don't remember, those two. Booby Trap. Oh yeah, that's the one where Geordi falls in love with the like the saved consciousness or constructed consciousness of the lady in the hologram. That was good. Q Who. I mean, anything with Borg or the Q is going to be good. So. Get down to the end of this one. I saw you. Yeah. A tribute to a guy I don't remember. Rest in peace. Conspiracy. That's a little gory for 1990. Hollow Pursuits. Look at Data. Love it. Factor, the loss. Another Enterprise card. Heart of Glory. Suddenly Human. I think we got about 4 packs left. And one more autograph hiding in here. The Bonding. Another Aliens. Enemy. And the Neutral Zone. That's Picard's old ship. Forget the name of it. Stargazer. There you go. Parallel. Q-Who. Evolution. It's what's his name? Doctor from Scrubs. The outrageous Okona. I forget what he did that's so outrageous. Hiding Q. So that one. Sarek tribute. Ensigns of Command. The most toys. Alright, and last pack. Did we get? I don't know, we did. Did we? No. So there should be an autograph hiding in here. Speak of the devil. Oh, okay. Well, let's Data Lore. Got the Offspring. Haven. And a nice autograph. That is a nice autograph for this box. Wow. Yeah, it is one of the very limiteds. This is probably about as good of an autograph you could pull. I'm very happy. There's LeVar Burton is also in this, a quotable, and then there's a Brent Spiner as well. So, yeah, 3 Bridge Crew, and we pulled one out of a single box. I'm pretty happy with that. So take back what I said about this not being the best set. Well, I guess as a set, the checklist isn't as strong, but it's a nice card to get. Very cool. Should go well with my other, the Worf I pulled the other day. So let's recap. We got Ray Wise. We got Lance Legault and Judson Scott, and then Dr. Beverly Crusher. Very nice, very nice. Okay. I guess that's it. Thanks for watching. Look forward to more of these in the future as well as other sets. See you later.